Remove the screws from the machine. Install the large bracket on the back of the instrument. Remove the screws from the machine. Install the small bracket on the front of the instrument. Install the emergency button bracket. The installation method for the other side bracket is the same. Both the handle connector and the instrument port are numbered. Connect the handle to the instrument by matching the corresponding numbers. Check for any gaps after installation. Install the emergency button. Connect the power, then turn on the power switch to start the device. Select gender, select age, select treatment area. Release the emergency stop button and wait about 30 seconds. The device will then function normally. abdominal muscle strengthening and contouring. The customer lies comfortably flat on the bed. The abdomen should be kept clean and dry. Place an insulation pad. Choose 1-2 flat handles according to the customer's body type. Use straps to fix the handles on the abdomen. Press start. Operation in progress. After the time ends, remove the handpieces and unfasten the straps. Front of thigh. First, open the buckle on the handpiece. Thread one end of the small strap through. Then lock the buckle to secure that end. Place the curved handpiece on the thigh treatment area, with the curved side in contact with the thigh contour. Wrap the small strap around the thigh, pass it through the slot on the handpiece, adjust the tightness, and fasten with the Velcro. Secure the other side in the same way. Press start. Operation in progress. After the time ends, remove the handpieces and unfasten the straps. Place the curved handle under the calf, with the curved side in contact with the calf. Press start. Operation in progress. Shoulder relaxation. Raise the pillow about 20 centimeters. The client lies comfortably flat on the bed. Give the pause button to the client and tell them they can press it at any time if they feel uncomfortable during treatment. Buttock firming and contouring. Use straps to secure the flat handpiece on the gluteus maximus. Press Start. Operation in progress. Two areas can be treated simultaneously according to treatment needs.